Hello everyone, I am Padmaja from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how you can double your internet speed with some steps and few tips. So be with me in this video. First of all, go to the settings. In settings, you will find connection option. In that, go to the mobile networking option. Now in that, you will find access point name option. Just go to it. There you will find an add option. In that add option, type exact name whatever I am typing over here. If you have a Jio SIM, then type it as a Jio in the place of Airtel. If you have any other SIM, then type that name in the place of Airtel. Now type APN number. Type the same username as I am typing in this. Type the MCC number as 405. After that, go to MNC number. In that, type it as 865 or 868. Now go to the barrier option and just tick a light. That's all. Now save all these settings. Go back. There you will find a network option. Keep the network as a auto connected. That's all. When you complete all this process, just restart your phone. Now let us see another method. Go to the settings. In settings, you will find an app option. Now go to the mobile data and see that your background data is turned off. Let us see another method. Go to the Play Store and search for an OpenSignal app. This app shows you area-wise network speed and your internet speed. Now once it has been get installed, just complete the further process. Here you get an option of speed test and video test. When you are uploading something or downloading something, it will show you your exact speed of your internet. Here in this app you will also get a network availability option. Here you can see you will get an real coverage information of your internet speed. It will show you the exact map of your net speed, in which area or which zone you have a high speed range. That's all. Now again go to the Play Store and search for a speed test app. This is also another app as same as previous one. It will also shows you your internet speed. That's all. If you want more details, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The links are in the description box. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in a comment box. If you like this video and find it useful, please press a like button and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel.